Now let's learn vector product. What is vector product? Two vectors, vector A and suppose another vector B here, and to multiply these two vector quantities, one has to bring either this vector near here or this vector near here. So let's bring this vector here, and vectors are parallelly shifted without harming B, and angle between these two vectors is theta. So vector product is written in A cross B, also called it is cross product. And what is the value or is the magnitude of this vector? It is magnitude of A into magnitude of B into sine of theta. Earlier it was cos of theta, now it is sine of theta. Okay. So this is the magnitude of this vector. And what is the direction? And the direction can be obtained from right hand rule. From A to B, my thumb goes downward. So the product is this, and its direction is given by this n cap. This is the formality of writing vector product. And what is n cap? N cap is unit vector along the line perpendicular to both vector A and vector B. Vector A and vector B, and A cross B, that means it will act into the paper. If A and B lying in the paper, so A cross B will lie into the paper. We can solve by, you can see that if from A to B, my thumb gives the direction of the vector which is the result of A cross B, and it will act downward. So perpendicular to both A and B, acting downward or into the plane, or into the plane. And what is B cross A? If B cross A is taken, B cross A, again it is AB sin theta, magnitude is AB sin theta, and n dash, n cap. N cap is the direction from B to A. So if I go from B to A, my thumb will point outward. So now this time n cap is a vector, unit vector. N cap, what is n cap? N cap is unit vector acting perpendicular to both vector A and vector B, and will act outward. Or coming out of plane, or coming out of plane. Means one vector will act, A cross B will act downward, and B cross A will act upward. This is the common way of finding vector products.